What if the love you crave isn't something you chase, but something that rises to meet you? One of my private clients, we'll call her Jenna, once told me, "I'm scared I'm asking for too much. Maybe my standards are the problem." Here's what I told her. Your fantasy isn't too much. It's a mirror. It's showing you what your heart knows is possible, your true desires. And the moment Jenna stopped trying to earn love and started embodying the way she wanted to be loved, everything changed. She spoke to herself with the tenderness she craved. She honored her own boundaries. And suddenly, men who used to breadcrumb her either stepped up or faded out. And the one man who matched her vision, he leaned all the way in. Now, of course, this didn't all happen overnight. And that is where the deeper work comes in. If this resonates with you, check the links in the description for a deeper way to work with me. Here's my final micro tip for this series. And if you haven't seen the other videos in this series, be sure to go back and check them out. Here's the micro tip. Start small talk to yourself the way your dream partner would. Your nervous system believes what it hears most, and the inner work always starts with you. So this is where fantasy love becomes inevitable reality, because you fall in love with yourself first. And real talk, that is what makes you irresistible. Subscribe, rewatch my Stages of Love video, and don't miss next week, because we're diving into the one energetic shift that even makes avoidant partners lean in.